On behalf of Ajoke Aishat Foundation.
Supported by CPAX Group. CPAX Group. Yes.
We hereby commission the water project and Gango community.
Water is a basic need for human survival. Sadly, many rural communities in developing countries lack access to safe and clean water sources, which exposes them to waterborne diseases and risks. To address these challenges, Ajoke Aishat Afolabi Foundation in February paid a visit to Topa, Badagry in Lagos State, Nigeria, for the purpose of providing borehole water for the community. This impact, AAAF is certain will serve the community for a long time, as it is a sustainable and reliable source to safe and clean water. Investing in this project will not only improve Topa community's health and well-being, but will also contribute to their economic development and overall quality of life.
Èèyàn wa ayún gbogbo wọn lógo iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn kò ní bàjẹ́ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn máa lọ sókè lórúkọ ti Jésù.
Láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà bàtà wa máa ṣí omi náà tó máa ń fẹ́ padà sílé kan tó délé láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà àwa tuntun filẹ̀ sí ìgbà yìí náà tí wọ́n ṣomi yìí fún ká máa gbúra ara wa ní ayọ̀ àtàlàfíà.